everyone. So we're going to practice again blending our new sounds together to make words. So first we have, alright, so our first letter is a J and it makes the J sound. Our U, remember it makes a short sound because it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant. So it makes the sound. And the G makes the G sound. So we have J, G. Alright? J, jug. Alright, what word? Jug. Jug. Good job, guys. We just blended the word jug. Alright. Our second word is... Alright, so our first letter is the W, makes the W sound. Our I, remember, makes a short I sound because it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant. And our N makes the N sound. So we have W, I, N. Good. W, I, W, N. Alright, let's see what word it is. Win. Win. Good job, guys. You just blended the word win. Alright. Our next word. Oh. Oops. Alright, so our first letter is a V that makes the V sound. Good. Then we have our A that's going to make the short A sound because it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant. And our N is going to still make that N sound. So we have V, A, N. Alright. V, A, Va, N. Alright. Va, N. Van. Or it would be van. But remember, our N makes the A sound a little funky, so it's van. Good job, guys. Alright, our next word is... Alright, so our first letter is a J and it makes the J sound. Our O is going to make it short A sound because it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant. And our G is going to make the G sound. So we have J, A, G. Alright, J, A. Jog. Alright, let's see what word we have. Jog. Jog. Good job. Y'all blended the word jog. Alright, we have one more word. So our Y makes the Y sound. Our U is going to make that short sound because it's the only vowel followed by a consonant. And our M will make the sound. So we have Y, M. Alright. Y, Y, M. Alright. Y, M. Yum. Great job. We just blended the word yum. Alright, well that's it. So y'all have fun and keep on practicing. And one way I want y'all to keep practicing is to go on Schoology and read this blend and read. So it's got all of our new sounds and all of our vowel sounds, so it gives you a lot of practice. So I want y'all to do that because I know you're going to do an awesome job. All right, have fun.